guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I wanted to show you the best throw on and go wig. Now let me show you how quickly I can put this wig on. So all you got to do is just flip it over and secure the straps in the back, flip it back over, and it's done. It's also so easy to style. Just spray, scrunch, clip, and dry. It's the end result for me. So cute, and the quality is amazing. This wig is perfect for summer. I hope you guys like this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Make sure you spread love and not hate. Peace.